In the vast mosaic of human seeking, across cathedrals and caves, temples and laboratories, one longing echoes through every soul, the yearning for truth. And yet, we have built walls around that longing. Names, doctrines, dogmas, and identities have divided what was always whole. We say, "This is my God, not yours. This is my truth, not theirs." But truth is indivisible. As the Rig Veda declared thousands of years ago, truth is one. The sages call it by many names. Behind the language of Krishna and Christ, beyond the silence of the Buddha and the wisdom of the Upanishads, there is one eternal source, unseen, ungraspable, yet more intimate than our breath. There is no exclusive gate to God, no monopoly on the mystery. Whether the seeker bows in a mosque, chants in a forest hermitage, or meditates in stillness beyond all forms, the call is the same, and so is the destination. From the viewpoint of the mind, paths differ. From the vision of the self, they converge. As Sri Nisargadatta Maharaj reminds us, "When I look inside and see that I am nothing, that is wisdom. When I look outside and see that I am everything, that is love." True unity is not a blending of beliefs, but the recognition that beneath the surface, we are already one, not in sameness, but in source. So let us honor every path, not as rivals, but as radiant reflections of the infinite. Let us listen deeply to scripture, to silence, to one another. For in that listening, the veil thins, and in that silence we glimpse the truth that was never far.